Yo, what's up everybody? It's me Azari and welcome back to Making Impossible. Today's video is a collaboration video with Vinith from Card Mechanic. He's going to show you an amazing trick based on intuition or mentalism, depends on the way how you want to present it, and then you're going to know how this trick is done. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
What's going on, guys? Card Mechanic here. Just want to start off by saying thank you to Sahil for featuring me on his channel. Really means a lot to me. And today I'll be teaching you a card trick that'll just absolutely blow minds. Let's do it. Alright, now check this out. I'll start off by giving the deck a quick overhand shuffle. Nothing too wild. Then I'll even have the spectator give the deck a riffle shuffle if they'd like. And then we'll just top it off with the basic... Oh man, I forgot one card. Basic cut. Okay. So now I'm going to predict the order in which a certain suit appears in the deck. So let's just say diamonds. So I'll hand the deck over to the spectator and have them start dealing cards off one at a time. And so starting off, I'd say the first diamond would be the 2 of diamonds. So I'll have the spectator deal, and we'll see the first diamond is the 2 of diamonds. I think the next diamond is going to be the 8. So we keep going. We see the 8 of diamonds. Let's see. I think next one will go to 10. There it is. Next one will be Jack. There it is. Now to speed this up, I'll try to predict multiple in a row. I'm going to say 6 and 5. So hopefully 6 of diamonds should come up, and then the 5 of diamonds, there it is. I think the next one will probably be the 7 of diamonds. There it is. Now this is actually a difficult one. I would say Queen of diamonds, and now Queen is usually followed up by a King, so let's just go with King next. King of diamonds. Now I think we have 4 diamonds remaining, so I'm gonna go with 9 of diamonds and 4 of diamonds. So we have the 9 of diamonds, and then we have the 4 of diamonds. Now there are only 2 diamonds left. I'm gonna guess the 3 of diamonds, and then to end it all, we have the Ace of diamonds. Thanks again, Sohail, for having me on your channel. You are awesome. And for those of you who want to know how this trick is done, make sure to go check out the tutorial on my channel. And I'll see you there.
So I hope you enjoyed this trick. If you want to learn it, then the link to that video, the tutorial, will be given in the description box, as well as Vinith's channel will also be given in the description box. So make sure you check it out. And then don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Azari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Free City Savage channel. I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there. And the link to the channel will be given right in the description box, as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet. And turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack This Monday episodes. Peace!